In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card fees in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable item you can add to transactions whenever you need to record or pass along a credit card processing fee, keeping your books tidy and consistent. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner for the small gear-shaped settings icon. That's the control center for your list settings and preferences. Click it to reveal your company lists and tools. From the menu that opens, choose Products and Services. This is where you store all the items you sell, including goods and services. Creating a dedicated item here ensures that credit card fees show up the same way every time, and it gives you accurate reporting later. On the Products and Services page, click the New button. This starts a fresh item. You'll see options for different item types. Choose Service. A fee isn't a physical product, you're not shipping anything, so service is the right fit. This choice helps your forms and reports reflect the nature of the charge. Now complete the details for the service. In the name field, type credit card processing fee. Keep it clear and professional so anyone on your team recognizes it instantly. In the description box, repeat that label or add a short sentence that explains the fee in plain language. Simple, consistent wording makes your invoices and receipts easier for customers to understand. In the Services section, type Credit Card, so it's easy to find alongside your other service items. If your fee varies from transaction to transaction, leave the rate blank so you can fill it in each time. Then click Save. That's it for the setup. A quick note on best practices. Rules around passing credit card fees to customers vary by region and card network, so be sure you understand your local requirements before using this item on sales forms. Clear, upfront communication with customers builds trust and helps avoid disputes. From here, your new credit card processing fee service is ready to use whenever a transaction includes that charge. Because it's an item, it will appear consistently on forms and in reports, which makes reconciling statements and reviewing fee totals much easier down the road. Quick recap before we wrap up. Open QuickBooks, click the Settings gear, go to Products and Services, select New, choose Service, enter credit card processing fee in both the name and description, add credit card and services, and save. You're all set.